how are you? I hope you all have a fantastic day. Today I'm gonna show you and tell you everything about the waist brace. So if you want to learn more about this product, then just keep on watching. A while ago, I've been contacted by the company called SpineMate, and they have asked me if I'm interested to try their waist brace, which is a spinal air traction belt. The product is a back support decompression belt that helps with lower back pain and with general lumbar support and posture. The belt is wrapped around your waist and pumped up with air to compress the lower back and support the spine. This is the packaging. This is how it came on. I have it from a couple of days and I've already tested a few times, so that's why the packaging is not as it was when I received it. I just wanted to put it back to show you the presentation, how you receive it. So I'm gonna open it and show it to you right away, and then I'm going to attach it and show you how it works. You get everything on this beautiful box. I'm going to open it, and I'm gonna have link on my description box where from you can purchase this product, and they do ship worldwide, like everything I'm showing you on this channel, almost everything. This is what you have inside. On the top you have the belt that came in this plastic bag, and I actually love the color. And here, this is the actual side. And the second device that you are getting, it's a actual pump that is working together with the belt. We also have a leaflet that tells you how to use it, so I'm just going to tell you a little bit. So I'm gonna tell you a bit about this. So this is actually a use manual. The product has a length of 115 centimeters and a width of 13 centimeters, and after the inflation the width it will be 20 centimeters. So I will put the corresponding sizes on inches, and the product name is lumbar traction belt, and the material is polyurethane, inner layer is cotton, and inner layer and of air inflation is TPU, which is a special soft material. So what this product does, it decreases the pressure of lumbar through traction, reduces the burden around a ligament, bring good rest for damaged lumbar fibrous ring, relax lumbar muscle, restore the energy of backbone. It is very effective for adjunctive therapy or of chronic lumbar strain. So I never told you something about me. I have a, what is it called, a scoliosis, and I have this from over 20 years. I don't know exactly if I have been born with it or I discovered it or I made it on the way, but I remember when I was about 18, 20 years, I went to a checkup, and the doctor told me that my spine is a bit curved. So it's a condition that has been controlled over the time by physiotherapy, but I have not been good on doing that since I have been pregnant with my first child. So almost 7 years since I haven't done almost anything to support my condition, physiotherapy and at home exercises. Because of this, I have back pains, and not only because of that, but I'm working all the time on the PC, so like 10 hours a day maybe I'm sitting on the chair. I'm working from home, and I'm also working on my YouTube channel, so you can imagine that I'm sitting a lot of the time of the day on the chair. And I have to admit that I don't do so much exercise, so sometimes my back, it just cannot stand the actual pressure. So when I was asked if I want to try this product, I said yes, of course, this could be something that it will really help my back pain relief. I'm starting by securing the belt around my waist, which I have to admit is a very easy step. Then I'm securing the pump by grabbing the clip and ensure the valve is correctly positioned, like so. Otherwise the air cannot be filled in. A correctly secure valve should allow air inflation, like so. You can hear the air filling in. Here you can see the difference of the belt width before inflation and after the inflation. When the belt is fully inflated, the air pump limits the air fill in. The SpineMate lumbar traction belt should be used directly on the skin or on thin clothes, and always should be positioned between the lower rib cage and the hip. Initially, it's recommended the belt to be worn from 30 up to 60 minutes, and then the time can be periodically extended. The belt can be used when you sit, walk, work, run, playing outdoors, or when you are doing physical effort, but the waist belt should never be used when you are sleeping. The usage of the belt is not recommended in case you have back injuries or if you are pregnant, and it is not intended for the children use. After I'm done using it, I'm decompressing it before detaching from my waist. To do so, I am attaching the inflating pump on the same position as it was when I used it for the air inflation, and I am slightly opening the valve, which will allow the inflated air to be released. You can hear the air being released and the belt becomes loose. So yeah guys, this is all for today. I want to thank again SpineMate for sending me this great device. I'm going for sure to continue use it, and we're gonna have some competition because my husband saw it and he's really interested on it, especially because now he's starting to work in the garden and he will start to lift weights or to, I don't know how to say in English, to work the land, to put the plants and everything, and you can imagine that his poor back is gonna hurt. So I think I'm gonna be generous and share it with him as well. So it will be a really useful and loved device in our home. Don't forget to check the link on the description box for more details about this product, and if you have some more questions about this product, don't hesitate to leave them down on the comment section below. So thank you guys so much for watching. I want to wish you all to have a fantastic day, and I'm gonna see you again on my next video.
Okay.